Today we have a remote control brick toy series 5-in-1 toy mode that has 5 modes: mode A, alpha; mode B, bravo; mode C, Charlie; mode D, delta; and mode E, echo. There are 6 bags, 2 instruction padlets. This one has most of them. This one has mode E probably. This one is the stickers, a USB cord, these little cables, a remote control, core box, and these little strings. You need 2 AA batteries and a screwdriver for the remote control. It has a back, so you need to open the back. Let's get to building. So this is the final product. This took me about 3 to 4 hours to make. It lights up. It has enough room to put a little character in it. Fun to drive. It glows in the dark if you have all the lights off. Pretty fun. Hope you enjoy.